Muster Station. A muster station is a designated area on ship where all crew member and passenger assemble in the event of emergency. It's crucial part of the ship's safety plan, ensuring everyone knows where to go and what to do in case of the fire, flooding, and other critical situation. Emergency procedure. For the emergency procedure, we have a fire alarm, general alarm, man overboard, abandoned ship, and CO2 alarm. For the fire alarm, we have the signal like continuous ringing of the ship's bell or horn for at least 10 seconds, followed by the general alarm. And for the general alarm, we have a 7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast on the ship's whistle. For the abandoned ship is like a verbal order from the master or the officer in charge, typically announced over the ship's PA system. For the man overboard signal, the letter of O sound at least 4 times on the ship's whistle, followed by the same signal of the fire bell. And the CO2 alarm signal is the visual alarm distinct from the other ship's alarm. Importance of training and drills. First, familiarity. Second, confidence. Third, coordination. Fourth, safety and compliance. For the familiarity, regular training and drills ensure that everyone on board is familiar with the location of the master station, their assigned duty, and their procedure to be followed by different emergency. For the confidence, drills build confidence in crew member and passenger, reducing panic and confusion in real-time emergency. For coordination, drills provide opportunity for crew member to effectively ensure coordination response to emergency. For the safety, training and drills are essential for the safety of everyone on board. They help to minimize the risk of injury, loss of life, and damage to the ships. And the compliance. Compliance is international maritime regulation require the ship to conduct regular safety drills and maintain up-to-date master list.